bro.
No, I like this place. It's so good.
What'd you order?
The pork tacos, and they were like so good, and I like it here.
Why don't you pick up that light in front of you to show everybody? Ooh, it looks like a candle. Look at this. I think you push that little thing right there. And I guess they let the person. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool.
It can change.
What do you call it? Like
It can change.
different options, huh?
Yeah.
It's a cool place.
I know what I should do.